Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, in this video we're going to tackle the problem of fixing the numbers in Microsoft Word. Often you might put numbers in and they're coming out as English style numbers where you want Urdu or Arabic style numbers. Now for example, this is a list here. The list had manually entered numbers, which is okay but not the best way to do things. First of all, I'm just going to get rid of I'm gonna get rid of the manual number, so I'm gonna press home, put the cursor anywhere, press home, and that will take you to the beginning of the line. Press delete, get rid of the space there as well. Likewise here, home, delete, likewise here, home, delete. Okay, now if I use the numbering thing here, I press that, it's going to give me an English number. It might be right to left, but it's going to be an English number. So the first thing I want to do to change that is, if I go to file and options, and then in these options we have advanced options, and then in the old Microsoft Word you will probably have editing options, and in the editing you have advanced editing options. Here we have editing options. If you go work your way down, show document content, here under numeral, now it says numeral Arabic. Technically Arabic numerals are what we see as English numerals, and the ones we know as Arabic numerals are Hindi numerals. So if you press Hindi, what that will do is it will always display Arabic style numbers even if the document is English. So best thing you want to do is put context. What that will do, depending on whether you're using a right to left, right to left text, or left to right, it will give you the right number. So when you press OK, that should have converted it. There you go. The other thing you might want to do is you want to change that dot for maybe a line. So what you can do is, if you go to here, define new number format, and you just place the cursor at the end, delete the full stop, and add either one of them, or you can add one of these, for example. That will change it to that. If you want to add a space in between there, you should be able to do that as well. Define new number format. Imagine if you want to add a space there. I'll add a space. So there you go. So I added a space, and there you go. And then you can play around with the alignment, so you can put the number there, you can bring the text back to there, and so on and so forth. Once you've defined that, you can then just continue it. You might want to change the whole lot. There you go. And so you can play around with these settings and add the, so that's how to change numbering, inshallah. Only one problem there. No hanging. That should bring that back into line, and so on and so forth.